If you are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content is not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA and I am here to share with you guys another design team kit that I received from Ariel, who is Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio. I will have her link to her Instagram and YouTube down below in the description box, as well as a special discount code where you guys can receive 10% off of your order, and also there's some a la carte things if you're interested in purchasing on her website. So this is how the design team kit comes, and this is my second kit. I do have 3 videos using the other kits, and I will link those down below in the description box if you guys are interested in seeing what I did with design team kit number 1. So this is how it comes. Really cute. I just love how she takes care in that. And you guys, this is a monthly subscription as well if you're interested in that, and you'll get some extra stuff too. So but this is how ours come, and it has this cute little thank you for supporting her small business. Yeah, you guys get some cool stuff in there. So I'm gonna get this open. Oh my gosh, so pretty, so cute. All right, so I'm going to move this off to the side. So the first thing that I see is a package, beautifully packaged. Look how cute these look. Of they look like flat back jimmies, and she has them packed in these little jars. Look how cute. This one's yellow, and they all have, they're different colors, but they all have this this gorgeous sprinkle glitter top to them. Really cute. You guys can see that. Really pretty. And they're small. So you can put these just as like little embellishments. You could use them for a sequence or shaker mix, but you can use the tiny little ones and put them on like cards and stuff. So this is yellow. We have white. We have this beautiful pink, is a pinky peach, this hot pink one, or a little bit less than hot pink, a purple one, and oh my gosh, this one is so pretty, that aqua colored one. How cute is that? And I left out no one's left behind. I left out a tiny little one, so let's just put that back in there. All right, and then she has sent a package of, I dare not open this and show you guys unless I am ready to use it, but it's heart holographic glitter. Really pretty. She also has some tiny little conversation hearts, and these are in neon colors. I can open these because they are not as scary for me as opening up that glitter one. Really cute. Tiny flat ones and some beautiful neon colors. There's green, blue, hot pink, yellow, purple, regular baby pink. Really fun. And they all say something. Let's say love, XOXO, hug me, sweetheart, be mine, so cute. Really cute little things like that. All right. Let's make sure that's nice and secure. And then there's some conversation hearts that are just pink. How cute. And they all say love. So pretty. So cute. And then she sent a package of pink and red. Look at these. Look at these dingles. This is so cute, girl. These are so adorable. And they're heavy duty, like. So they're clasps. They open up like that, and they have a ring at the bottom. So you actually can use this twofold. You could take your ring off and use that as something, and then use that as something. So really cool. That's so nice, girl. Put that over there. And then she sent some gorgeous trim. Look at this trim. It's so pretty. Different colors. So this one is peach with the white trim around it. Really pretty. And then there's purple. There's hot pink. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, look at this one. It's so cute. Look how cute that is. And then you have baby pink, red, and yellow. Really pretty, Ariel. And let's see, this box is just going and going. We have some heart faceted beads. Great for making charms for you charm makers. Look how pretty these are. Cute. You have purple, pink, oh, this beautiful mint color, red, white, yellow. They're a nice size too. And the hole is right at the top, obviously through the bottom. Cute. These are so cute. Oh, and there's a blue, a heavier blue and a purple. I think I said that one. Yeah, a light blue, a lavender and a purple. Oops. In here. All those colors. And then she sent some small round faceted beads. These are, look at these. Oh my gosh, and they have all, they're like a cute little dazzle. You see the dazzle? These are so cute. I dare not even take all these out. And just lots of colors. All of the colors that's in all of the kits you'll see in these beads, with an addition of a green. Really, really pretty. These are really cute. And then, excuse me. Oh, I think that one came on something else. Okay. There's some round, these glass beads. I feel like it, or maybe it's just a really nice heavy duty plastic, but they're gloss and they're round hearts. How cute. You have this beautiful baby blue, green, red, orange, yellow, hot pink. Really, really pretty. And then this white with the pink on it. Cute little charmed hearts. Great for Valentine craft making. Okay. And oh my gosh, look how cute these little candies are. These little candies are adorable. They're flat back candy jimmies. Red, pink, blue, yellow, purple, white, mint. And then the candies are flat back, but in the front they have indents of hearts in them. So like, look here. They have, can you, is it not gonna let me? Maybe not. Nope. They have an indent of hearts in there. And they're white core. Easily visible. These are so cute. Very, very cute. All right, I'm gonna put these back because you can put like some great adhesive on the back and lay those on a project, and those will look super cute. She also sent some the links, the charm links. You can add them to this, or you can use them separately. But they like have a little clasp closure at the end, where you can, you guys know what I'm saying. You can close it like this in there. I could sit there all day and not get it until I stop recording. But those are nice. And then she sent these large hearts. They look like epoxy hearts that have been sealed with some glitter on the inside. Beautiful colors. Look how thick they are. Nice acrylic hearts. Pink, green, purple, orange, yellow, blue. These are so cute. Do they have a hole in them? No, they're flat back. So you can put them on your projects. How about that shimmer? So, so cute. All right, I'm going to put these away. Oh, no, nope, not going to go in there. And then there's one more. There's a bag out here. So I think something's, oh wait, I'm missing a tiny little package here. Oh my gosh, these charms are so stinking cute, girl. It's a gold heart with red at the top. Come on out. Look how cute these are. And the gloss on there. So pretty. Already has the charm on the corner there. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Set that there. Gorgeous. And let's see. Look at these cute little, oh my gosh, they're like heart balloons. Really cute. And it looks like they have like gold flakes in there. Like they put some gold flakes or some silver iridescent flakes in there. But they're hearts, but they kind of have this little ending like a heart balloon. And it has a, yeah, a little bottom like a balloon. And they're flat back. Here they are. How cute. I can imagine you tie something at the bottom of it, and cute. This one's really pretty too. Very pretty colors. Love, love, love. This is how thick it is. It has a solid back, matching the color that's on the front. All right. And then, like I said, there's an empty bag in here. So the post office must have done something to my package. All right, so this was at the bottom of one of the empty bags. There's two of them, so here's this one. And it's the red charm. It's the red chain to go with the red clasp. Just like the pink one. And that goes in there. Put that there. And then one more bag. I'll just scoop these beauties out because they are so cute. Let's see here. Okay, look how cute these are. Look at that sound. See what type of material it is. Oh, so pretty. Look at that mint one. It's so cute. And they're puffy. And it's like a sheer coating of sheer puffy at the top. So it's clear. You can see through to the color. And it has glitter in it. It's pink, mint, blue, yellow, purple. Really, really cute. And then again, the back matches the colors. So really, really cute. I love these so much. Oh, pastels are my favorite. So cute. So this is Ariel's, like I said, you have a option of a membership. You can purchase it on her website. I'll have that link down below where you get all of this and your extras. And also, don't forget, there's a discount code down below as well where you guys can receive a discount on your purchase if you're interested in these items, plus the items on her a la carte that you can add to whatever it is that you purchase. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and be sure to check the links down below. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.